travel mode. What is up everybody, this is Nakutettu and I'm on the road again. As you can see, travel mode activated. I have my tank bag filled with stuff. I will explain why and what is there soon. I have two reasons why I'm heading towards Lahti. One being that I have been shooting film now for past 1 year or so, and we have made a co-order with my friend in Germany for some films and chemicals, and I'm fetching those. Another one being that there is a nature reserve park close to city of Lahti called Lapakisto, something like that. So we're gonna go there, check it out, enjoy the views, take some nature photos. So that's why I have my tank bag filled with clothes. I need to change this leather off when going for a forest walk. Weather being pretty nice for the whole trip so far. Now, as you can see, there's some dark clouds, but it's very local. Some more towards on the road there will be better looking. The weather is looking better, so I hope we are gonna get some really stunning photos from the forest. But first, let's hit on the road, check on some twisties, and then after twisties, let's check the forest.
Can they reach deep into your subconscious?
Beyond the solar system.
Welcome to Lahti. Ooh, it's 20 past 10 already. The sun is setting. Views are incredible. Beautiful. Alright, it was a fun day. I got the film that I went to get from Lahti. And look at my tank pack now. It's big and clunky. Almost like a pregnant frog. Yeah, but that's what I went to get. That's what I got. Nature Reserve Park. Which name I simply cannot remember. I will put a description that. That was beautiful. I hope you enjoyed views from there too. Remember to like, share, subscribe my channel. Tell me which part you enjoyed, which you didn't. Give some comments, thumbs ups and so on. I think it's time to call it an episode. See you next time.